Hey, how's it going? It's Sam Frost here. In this really short video, I'm just going to run you through how you can use the Google Ads editor to block your display ads from showing on mobile apps. Basically, if you're aware of what Google's done recently, they have made it harder to do this. They've basically removed some of those targeting options through the normal Google Ads online interface that you're probably used to using, which make it easier to, or which made it, I should say, easier to block your ads from showing in mobile apps. The reason you don't necessarily want your ads showing in mobile apps is that, as a rule, mobile app ad traffic on the display network tends to be pretty poor quality, and you can often wind up with quite a lot of junk traffic. Now, you'll have to excuse my slightly odd sounding voice. I've been sick recently, and also I'm recording this through just a cheap headset microphone on an old computer. I don't have my normal equipment with me. I just wanted to do this video on the fly. So I do apologize that it's not up to my normal standards. Now, anyway, let's get stuck in. So first thing you need to do is download the Google Ads editor. If you do not have that on your computer, I will leave a link in the description, and you go click on that link and download it. The next thing is to log in and download your account. That part's pretty easy. I don't need to show you what to do there. Once you've got the account all downloaded and you've got your list of campaigns that are running, let's jump in and look at how you do it. So let's take this remarketing campaign here. This is a sort of sample testing account I've got. And what we want to do is block mobile app ads from showing on this display remarketing campaign. So what we're going to do is actually go and double click here and go into the campaign. And if you see on the manage tab, that's now pulled us into looking specifically at that campaign. And then the main ad group within that campaign, all visitors remarketing, there's only one ad group. Now, what we're actually looking for here is this piece on the left. It might be collapsed depending on your view. So we're looking for keywords and targeting. What we want to do is open that up, and then we look for mobile app categories negative. That is what we're looking for here. And then what we want to do is click on this button here, add a negative mobile app category. Now, you could add this at the ad group level, or you could add it at the campaign level. So I'm going to be adding it at the campaign level because I just want to block all mobile app ads. But if you've got a reason to only do it at an ad group level because you want to try one ad group with mobile app ads and one without, be my guest. But anyway, all you do is click here and see how this pops up with all apps highlighted in blue by default. If you wanted to block just a specific category of apps, like you wanted to block, say, art and design apps on the Google Play Store, you'd click that and add it by pressing OK. But instead, we want to block all apps. So we make sure that's selected, we hit OK, and then we hit post. And that's all we've got to do. We post that change live. And if you go into your Google Ads web interface, look at that campaign, look at the placement exclusions, you will see an exclusion added for all apps. And basically, that will stop your ads from running on mobile apps, at least for the time being. I wouldn't be surprised to see Google come along and change this. They may well remove this option in the future. It really would not surprise me one bit, but for now it seems to be working fine. Certainly it's been working for me. So hopefully you found that useful. Once again, I do apologize that this video isn't done with my usual equipment. I'm just working on the fly here. If you did find the video useful, however, I would really appreciate if you liked the video. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and also do leave a comment. If you're stuck with this, if you're not sure what's going on, please leave a comment and I will do my best to reply to you and give you personalized advice. So thank you once again for watching, and I hope this was helpful when it comes to managing your Google Ads.